What happens when you drink green tea every day for 30 days? The first sip feels harmless, earthy, warm, almost ancient. But inside your body, something immediately begins to change. Tiny molecules hidden inside green tea rush through your bloodstream like microscopic messengers, searching for cells under stress, inflamed tissues, unstable blood sugar, and exhausted brain circuits. Most people never realize that green tea is not just a drink. It's a biochemical signal. This is why if you drink it every day for the next 30 days, your body begins to enter a slow, fascinating transformation. Because what happens next is remarkable. First week, the first internal shift. Day 1. The tea reaches your stomach. Almost instantly, compounds called catechins begin dissolving into the bloodstream. One of them, EGCG, behaves like a molecular bodyguard, moving through tissues searching for oxidative stress. Inside the brain, caffeine and L-theanine arrive together, and this combination is unusual because caffeine alone can feel aggressive, fast, and jittery. L-theanine, on the other hand, acts almost like a calming current flowing underneath it. This results to brain entering a strange state. It becomes alert and calmer. At this stage, many people notice clearer focus, thoughts feel smoother, and less mental static. Inside neurons, communication speeds up slightly. Dopamine and norepinephrine begin shifting, and attention sharpens. But deeper changes are happening quietly in the background. Green tea starts influencing insulin sensitivity, the way cells respond to sugar in the bloodstream. Imagine millions of tiny cellular doors beginning to open more efficiently. The body starts handling energy differently, and most people never even feel it happening. Week 2. The metabolic adaptation. This is where the liver becomes one of the main stages of activity. Inside this chemical processing center, green tea compounds appear to support fat metabolism pathways. Not magic, not instant fat burning, but efficiency. The body becomes slightly better at accessing stored energy. At the same time, antioxidants continue circulating through blood vessels, helping reduce oxidative stress caused by poor sleep, processed food, pollution, and everyday metabolic water. Inside the arteries, the environment may begin to feel less hostile. Inflammation signals can slowly decrease. What happens next is subtle but powerful. Energy becomes steadier, not explosive but stable, fewer crashes, less afternoon fog, and less internal turbulence. And then something surprising starts happening inside the gut. Green tea compounds begin interacting with gut bacteria, trillions of microbes living like ecosystem inside the intestines. Some beneficial bacteria begin thriving, while others struggle. Inside the body, an invisible population shift is underway. Week 3. The cellular response. This is where the body starts responding more deeply. Cells exposed to constant oxidative stress now experience a different environment. Think of rust slowly being cleaned from machinery. The body begins activating protective repair systems linked to cellular maintenance and stress resistance. Scientists sometimes compare this to a controlled biological housekeeping. Damaged proteins are cleaned more efficiently. Inflammatory noise decreases. Cellular communication improves. And inside the brain, the blood flow may slightly improve. Some people notice better concentration, better mood stability, and sharper memory recall. Not because green tea is a miracle, but because the body often performs better when inflammation and metabolic stress begins calming down. At this stage, sleep quality may also shift, especially when green tea replaces sugary drinks or excessive caffeine. The nervous system feels less overstimulated, more balanced, and most people never connect these small improvements to one simple daily habit. Week 4. The full biological pattern. At this point, the body has entered a noticeably different rhythm. Hydration improves. Blood sugar swings may feel smaller, and digestion often feels calmer. Inside the cardiovascular system, the blood vessels continue experiencing reduced oxidative stress exposure. The heart no longer fights the same level of internal chemical chaos. And deep inside cells, mitochondria, the tiny energy factories of the body, continues adapting to a cleaner metabolic environment. And the result is what many people describe as a strange feeling they can't fully explain. Lighter, clearer, and more stable, not hypocritive energy, but sustainable energy. The kind your body was designed to produce naturally. But perhaps the most fascinating change happens in the brain, because daily rituals reshape biology. Every morning cup becomes a signal. Wake up, focus, repair, and stabilize. Over time, the nervous system begins associating the habits with calm, alertness, and internal balance. And that's the hidden truth most people never realize. Small compounds repeated consistently can slowly reshape the environment inside the human body. Green tea will not transform your body overnight, but inside you, tiny shifts begin accumulating one day at a time.